guys, welcome back to Baking Style. So today we're going to be making double chocolate zucchini bread. So first what you'll need will be sugar, flour, grated zucchini, and also drained, and this was also from our garden, cocoa powder, semi-sweet chocolate chips, dark chocolate, eggs, baking powder and baking soda, I just have them combined, canola oil or vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. I'll put the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. So now what we're going to do is place the dark chocolate in the microwave for 30-second intervals. And stir in between. Okay, so that's all done, and now you just want to set it aside. So we're going to let that cool, but I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just going to set a few things aside that we don't need right now. So obviously now you need your flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking soda and baking powder. You're just going to whisk that together in a bowl. But we want to take a electric mixer with the paddle attachment. Let's see. Paddle. And then so let's just add this on first before I. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. A little bit spilled over the edge, but that's okay. I can clean that up. Now we're just going to estimate 1.5 cups. We're going to take the majority of this. Okay, there. That's about 1.5. Now you're just going to blend that till it's all combined. Start on low. I'll see you guys in like about a minute or two. Okay, now we just gotta set that aside. And now in a food processor, let's just get all that. You want to combine the rest of your zucchini, so the remaining see. There we go. And then also your canola oil. There we go. Vanilla extract. And your eggs. Other chocolate, melted chocolate. It's gonna look a little weird. This is gonna look a little weird, but it tastes great though. Gonna add that in. You want to take this and make a well in the center. Mine is already like formed a well. So wanna see. Okay. I'm gonna take this. Ooh, it's gooey. You wanna take it and just pour it all in. parchment paper and sprayed with nonstick spray. A loaf pan there, just a standard size. Now we're just going to take our spatula, and now just want to add and sprinkle over your chocolate chips, ones that we coated. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay, so I just took it out and I'm going to show you how it ended up. So, let's see. Here is, it has so many chocolate chips and I love it. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!